talks about you all the time.
Yeah.
She's right about that. Doesn't she, babe?
Kenny Duke's in Disneyland today.
No, at a house.
He's in Disneyland.
Disneyland.
Wow.
Just like Patrick.
Just like Patrick.
Do you have blue blues, Benedict?
Yeah.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Kitty Goose.
You don't have to tell that we're sitting at the table drinking coffee.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean. Oh, I didn't mean to interrupt your conversation.
Mom,
Huh.
we're just talking. We're talking, Mom.
All right.
We're just talking.
About Kitty Dude. What California?
In California.
Yeah.
No.
Uncle Kennedy said to say hello too.
Has he gotten any of her messages? He never calls back.
Well, of course not. He doesn't call me.
There.
I live just.
Cheers. She doesn't know who the message comes from.
She's called 4 times, I think, this year.
Ever anybody there, so she leaves a message on the
Right.
answer machine.
Well, they do taekwondo.
Look at that. There's spiders down there.
Spiders.
Yeah.
Those are flowers.
Yeah, flowers and spiders.
Pretty flowers, no spiders.
No, Grandma doesn't like spiders.
No, Grandma didn't like spiders. Mom does.
What does this say?
It says medicine.
That says crystal.
It says crystal.
No, it says medicine. That's why it says stand medicine.
But it says crystal right
You
there.
see what
It
she's
says
saying?
crystal.
It says medicine. The crystal light container. They said it says crystal. She said no, it says medicine. Why does it say medicine, babe?
That says
Oh.
medicine for that, not treat for me.
She's absolutely right. That's what I take and put Harold's medicine in every night when we're sitting there at the supper table. I just put it in there. And then he takes
You can
it.
tell if I took my medicine because she does the box. She brings them to me here.
He likes to not take it, and he needs it. So
Yeah, speaking of it, I gotta
So
get
who's
one.
coming tonight?
Okay, you.
Kenny Duke.
she told you.
Kennedy's at home. No, he's not at home.
I told her. Where's Kenny Duke?
I can't forget.
Yeah, he went to
Disneyland.
Disneyland.
Yeah,
He went to Disneyland. Have you been to Disneyland?
yeah.
No. Sorry, I'm not allowed to talk.
Shower nose just for like noodles. Just like my Kitty Dude is Disneyland.
Yeah, he's at Disneyland.
Shamu's got Shamu.
No, she said Rudolph.
Well, I know.
Red nose.
Shamu's got a red nose just like Rudolph.
It's just like we have right now, just like noodles.
Just like Rudolph.
Rudolph.
I shouldn't say Rudolph. It's Rudo. Rudo.
That's okay. Your uncle.
It's Chris Dolan.
Uncle.
It's Chris Dolan. No, it's not. It's Chris Dolan. She was telling me she was correcting me.
I just want my Uncle Kitty Dude.
was that on TV? And what did you say about him?
I love
You love who?
my kitty chutney.
You can sing that song? Crystal,
Yeah.
you can sing that song?
Yeah.
Yep, I see your toes. Let me see you dance. And who is that?
Uncle Kenny did Kenny Chesney.
Who are you voting for?
Uncle Chesney.
Uncle Chesney.
I thought I was going to say Uncle Kenny dude, but I said Uncle Chesney.
Uh-huh.
Number one, Uncle Chesney. He's going to be the first star to get to 100 for a trophy.
Oh, for a trophy?